After skipping another Senate hearing today, a contempt order was filed against the suspended Bamban Tarlac Mayor Alice Guo. Several senators expressed disappointments on Guo's letter of explanation. Ryan Nasin reports.
Senator Risa Hontiveros decided to file a contempt order against suspended Bamban Tarlac City Mayor Alice Guo due to her absence from the Senate hearing today. According to the letter of explanation that Guo was sent to the Senate, she will not be able to attend the hearing due to her mental health issues. Guo was stated that she is traumatized because of the Senate treatments and she is both physically and emotionally drained with the amount of accusations she receives. Meanwhile, Senator Sherwin Gatchalian was disappointed because the resource persons did not attend the 4th Senate hearing. Their non-attendance is a loss for them because they will also lose the opportunity to express themselves. Furthermore, he also believes that it could be a sign that they know something they don't want to reveal to the public.
Madam Chairman, nakakadismaya at dahil pang-apat na hearing na natin to at inibitahan natin itong mga mahalagang resource persons para mabigyan sila ng pagkakataon magpaliwanag, ibigay yung kanilang opinion, ibigay yung kanilang side. At yung ibang mga personalidad dito, nag-issue na tayo ng subpoena, pero parang walang respeto na binibigay sa institusyon at sa Senado. Para sa akin, yung pagbabaliwala nila ng subpoena, parang pagbabaliwala at pagwawalang respeto sa ating institusyon at sa proseso na ginagawa natin para makahanap ng katotohanan. Itong pag hindi nila pagdaluho dito ay kawalan ho yan para sa kanila dahil mawawalan sila ng oportunidad na magpaliwanag at para sa akin sinyalis ho to na meron silang alam na ayaw nilang isiwalat o ayaw nilang ipaalam sa atin at meron silang tinatago. Yung hindi nila pagpunta ho dito para sa akin is a sign.
In connection, Senator Nancy Binay also agreed to issue a contempt order to Guo because the letter of explanation sent by the mayor was not acceptable to her.
Senator Nancy?
Madam Chair, tayo po ngayon ay hawak po natin yung letter of explanation ni Mayor Alice at sinait po niya yung dahilan na she's not mentally fit, Madam Chair. Sa akin lang, nakakahiya naman po dun sa mga tunay na may mental health condition. I would just like to reiterate, Madam Chair, na seryosong usapin ang mental health at hindi po ito dapat ginagamit na dahilan para magsinungaling. Yun lang po, Madam Chair.
This is Ryan Nasino for Euro TV News.